the Apple profit, the collapse. The first message was easy to dismiss. A nameless account, no history, no followers, no context, just a single warning, posted on January 30th, 2025. Do not trade AAPL tomorrow. You will regret it. You will all regret it. It drowned in the sea of speculation, unnoticed amid the tidal wave of confidence leading up to Apple's Q1 earnings call. AAPL was invincible. It had to be. The numbers rolled in, iPhone sales strong, revenue climbing, as expected, as always. And then the price began to slip. At first, it was minor, a fractional dip, a tremor easily ignored. But then something wrong crept in. The fluctuations weren't natural. They weren't random. It was too precise, too deliberate. An unseen hand guiding the descent, shifting the weight of the market like a god tugging on marionette strings. That's when someone saw the glitch. AAPL 237.59 and 0.76%, a price that had not happened yet. Traders froze. The stock ticker had just leaked tomorrow's closing price. And then the second message appeared. It wasn't a warning. It was a prophecy. The account vanished before anyone could trace it, and the fear began to spread. The unraveling. The market opened to chaos. AAPL surged at the bell, $248.23, and then it fell, faster than it should have, faster than anything should have. Explanations came in frenzied bursts. Overvaluation concerns, AI disappointments, whispers of lost ground in China, a sudden DOJ investigation into Apple's financial ties with Google. But those were just excuses to explain something inexplicable, something watching the market. Because every massive short position, billions in value, was met with an immediate, perfectly matched buy order from an unknown entity. Somewhere, someone was absorbing every sell-off, keeping Apple afloat with an unnatural precision. And then, at exactly 6 p.m., an impossible order appeared. 999s and 999 shares. Buyer, the second prophecy. The financial world spiraled. Panic, rumors, denial. And then, another message. This time, it didn't come from a single account. It spread everywhere. Encrypted forums, dark web markets, anonymous email chains. The same words, whispered across the internet like a collective hallucination. The fruit has fallen. The core is exposed. Beware the IDs of March. Signed, S. Jobs. There were theories. A cyber attack, a high-frequency trading AI gone rogue. But the darker question lingered, unspoken. What if Steve Jobs was still watching? The reckoning. March 15th, 2025. The market opened as normal, AAPL holding at $224 a once. At 10:37 a.m., the first wave hit. A 15% free fall in under 2 minutes. A violent, unnatural collapse before circuit breakers halted trading. Traders whispered, hands shaking over keyboards. It's happening. When trading resumed, it plunged again. The sell orders were too fast, too coordinated, as if they had already been placed before the market even opened. By 12:45 p.m., Apple had lost $300 billion in market cap. And then, the screens flickered. Every monitor on the NASDAQ trading floor. For 3 seconds, the market glitched, numbers vanishing, replaced by a single message in bold black text. The cycle is complete. The profit rests. Then, darkness. When the systems came back, AAPL sales sat at 177.89, its lowest point in years. The financial world stopped breathing. Investigations began instantly. Theories ran wild. Was it an attack? A hidden algorithm? A doomsday cult? But the more they searched, the more terrifying it became, because there was no evidence of the collapse. No initiating transactions, no high-frequency trading logs, no traces of the sell-offs, as if the market had simply chosen to obey. The aftermath. Apple never recovered. Layoffs gutted its AI division. Scrutiny from regulators intensified. The company rotted from within, executives abandoning ship without explanation. And the S. Jobs account never posted again. Investigators traced the last login to Apple's headquarters in Cupertino, California. To a single locked room, a room that had been sealed since 2011. The security logs showed something impossible. At exactly 6 p.m. on January 30th, 2025, the precise moment the first prophecy was fulfilled, someone had accessed a terminal inside that room. But when security teams entered months later, they found nothing. No computer, no cables, just a single dust-covered iPhone, a model that never existed. The screen was cracked, but it was still on. One notification, timestamped 6 p.m. March 15th, 2025. Tomorrow, it begins again. Be ready. And then the screen dimmed, the phone powered off, and it has never turned back on.